Gillette, what is going to happen to that huge block?
Well, this block is a challenge because it's so heavy. You can tell it's heavy just by looking at it, but the first question that comes up in the thought that it might be moved to the Museum of Northern Arizona, and that's the plan, is how heavy is it? And there's a way to calculate the weight of a big block of rock, or even a small block of rock. And that is to calculate the volume, and then we know how much sandstone weighs per cubic foot, and it's a simple matter to do the multiplication. I took the measurements in metric, like all good scientists, and I can tell you the metric dimensions. So the metric dimensions are 1.8 meters long by 1.2 meters wide by 9/10 of a meter tall or high. And if you calculate those numbers, that comes out to a certain number of cubic meters. You can convert that to a certain number of cubic feet, and you multiply that number of cubic feet by 140. That's what the weight of a cubic foot of sandstone turns out to be as a standard calculation. And we multiplied the number of cubic feet in that rock. And the actual calculation comes out to be just short of 9,000 pounds, which is 4.5 tons. And for construction purposes and moving things, you always want to overestimate the weight so that your equipment can handle what you're carrying. So my general estimate is about 5 tons.